Simple query on find related parties that meet transaction conditions. This query trigger enables the user to find companies based on the related party transactions of companies for an accounting period. This query trigger is available under Ownership Structure and Governance Indicators section. This information is sourced from the Annual Report of Companies. Related party transaction disclosure is mandatory for listed companies, banks, financial institutions, companies with sales over 500 million or with a borrowing of over 100 million and their holding companies. Let us understand the functioning of this query trigger with the help of an example. Suppose we want to find those companies from BSE 30 Sensex set that reported an income from sale of goods of over 1 million from their subsidiaries in the year March 2014. To execute this query, you need to follow 8 steps. The first step is to go to Select Companies in Predefined Sets query trigger and select S&P BSE 30 available under BSE Indices. You can then execute this query by clicking on Send to New OSE under the Execute option. After the query is executed, you will see that the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button, the OSE will be generated and will be selected by default. Click on the Continue button to download the output. The current output sheet of companies now contains the BSE 30 Sensex companies. The second step is to go to the Related Party Transactions query trigger and select the appropriate tab and radio button from the top of the user interface. The radio button Find Related Parties that meet transaction condition has been selected by default. Let us retain that selection. The tab Query is selected by default and let us retain that selection. The third step is to select the party type subsidiaries from the list of party types available under Select Party Types. The fourth step is to select the indicator from the Select Indicator box and enter the range in the Range From and Range To boxes, if any. Let us select Income from Sale of Goods to Related Parties and enter 1 in the Range From box and leave the Range To box blank. Since the default currency selected is rupees million in the menu bar, this implies 1 million. The fifth step is to enter the appropriate date on which the search should be conducted. L is the default setting, which implies search is on the latest year for which information on related party types of the companies is available. Let us enter the date 2014-03 in the Query on Dates box. The date formats used in the Query on Dates and output dates are explained in the Help on Dates, which can be accessed by clicking on the question mark icon available just above the Query on Dates box. The sixth step is to choose the appropriate domain. There are 2 domains available, All Companies and Companies in Current OSE. The domain All Companies will conduct a search over all the companies available in the Provis database. The domain Companies in Current OSE will conduct a filtering on the companies available in the current output sheet. Let us select the domain Companies in Current OSE since we already have BSE 30 companies in the current output sheet. The seventh step is to select the appropriate output destination from Select Output Destination box. There are 3 formats possible. The first is the OSE format, which lists the names of companies without any additional data. The second output destination is the WS, which is the worksheet, which displays the company names along with its data. The third output destination is the TXT output, which displays the same data in a text file. Let us select WS as our output destination. The 8th step is to click on the appropriate Execute option to run your query. Since we have selected Companies in Current OSE as our domain, we can select any one of 3 execute options. These are Add to Current WS, Send to New WS, and Replace Current WS. Add to Current WS will add the list of companies which have satisfied the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Send to New WS will create a new OSE and WS of companies satisfying the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Replace current WS will replace the contents in the current OSC and WS with the companies satisfying the criteria specified in the query trigger along with the data. Let us click on Send to New WS. After the query has been successfully executed, the New Outputs button will start blinking. Click on the New Outputs button. You will see that two outputs OSC and WS have been generated and are selected by default in the Output Downloader box. You can click on the Continue button to download both these outputs. The worksheet will display those companies from the BSE 30 Sensex which had income from sale of goods to related parties of over 1 million from their subsidiaries in the year March 2014. You can click on the Output view to view the selected companies which met the criteria given in the query trigger.